ini dah kebun bawang saya dengan begini, begini dah keadaannya luasnya gini.
Bali Children's Project is beyond delighted to share the story of a young man whose life has completely changed thanks to our sponsorship program. His name is Wayan Putu Artika and this is his story.
Kenalkan, nama saya Yantu, berasal dari Kintamani. Saya alumni BCP tahun 2021.
Wayan had a very difficult start to life. His father passed away when he was still very young, and not long after, his mother remarried and was unable to bring him to her new family. With no stable income in the family, Wayan was raised by his grandmother who cared for him. But with very little income, Wayan's future wasn't looking bright. Because Wayan's grandmother had so little income, Wayan learned to work. He helped in the fields, planting and harvesting, and often took on small jobs on other people's farms just to help his grandmother put food on the table. As he got older, school became more and more difficult to afford.
Kan nenek saya nggak bisa sekolahin saya karena sepupu saya banyak. Sama neneknya sekitaran 2 tahun saya sama nenek. Karena beliau meninggal juga. Karena meninggal ya saya tinggallah sendiri sama adik-adik.
The Bangli Regency has the highest dropout rate of all regencies in Bali, with 1 in 4 students destined not to graduate from high school. School costs vary in Bali and include semester fees, diploma fees, entry fees, study tour fees, and more. By the time Wayan reached junior high, it was clear that his family could not pay for the next step in his education. But then, something changed. Wayan was added to Bali Children's Project sponsorship waiting list. And not long after, he was matched with a sponsor, Nana. Thanks to her support, his school fees were covered, and he was able to stay in school without the constant fear of having to leave.
Waktu SMP, dulunya saya punya cita-cita ke Jepang dengan jurusan pertanian. Tapi karena sekolahnya cari jurusan pertanian agak jauh lah. Di sini nggak ada sekolahnya pertanian, yang ada aja. Karena adanya perhotelan sama perikan multimedia, saya carilah perhotelan biar zamannya kayak sekarang kan tamunya banyak itu ke Bali ya, biar tahulah sedikit-sedikit gitu.
Wayan enrolled in a vocational high school and began to plan for his future. Instead of working basic labor jobs, he was able to see another way forward.
Dulu saya pas dibantu BCP, sekolah pulang sekolahnya langsung ke kebun bertani. Terus setiap hari kayak gitu bertani sekolah ada gitu. Ya karena pas sekolahnya pariwisata sama kebun kan beda jalur. Ya pas di kebun ngasil ya lumayan lah hasilnya. Selama saya bersekolah, saya ketemu banyak teman dan motivasi yang lain-lain juga saya dapat dari teman, dari perjalanan selama sekolahnya gitu.
Wayan graduated and made a plan for his future, using nearby land to grow vegetables to sell onto markets.
Dan setelah lulus senang, ya sekolah lancar, di tani juga lancar gitu. Akhirnya sama-sama tahu dah, sekolah ilmu dapat, hasil juga dapat gitu.
As his small business grew, Wayan was able to secure more land, increase crop yields, and develop a thriving supply business. Wayan's business continues to grow today, and he is now earning 20 times above the minimum wage.
Kurang lebih 20 jutaan lah habis untuk sampai panennya. Hasilnya 500 kilo bisa didapat dengan 3 ton bawang. Untuk 3 ton kan 60 juta jadinya, modal 20 juta, untung lah 40 kotornya itu, belum tenaga orang buat panennya. Paling keras lah untungnya 30 jutaan, lumayan untuk 70 hari sampai 4 bulan bisa dapat uang 100 untuk lahannya 2 lapak itu. Jadi senang lah bisa mengajak teman-teman untuk bekerja sambil tawa gitu juga sama teman-teman.
With the funds, Wayan has improved the quality of life for him and his grandma. He's helped renovate their home and even built a Merajan, a Balinese family temple. Wayan's journey is a reminder that with the right support and the right attitude, anything is possible. His success isn't just in the crops he grows, but in the life he's built with his own hands.
Kalau menurut saya pendidikan itu penting karena yang saya nggak tahu jadi tahu gitu. Kalau nggak ada pendidikan tidak ada handphone kayak gitu.
Latest figures showed 19,000 students never made it through high school, mostly due to cost barriers. By taking away these barriers, sponsorships help children like Wayan to complete school and break the cycle of poverty in their family. We can't do this without the kind support of our sponsor though, and hope you will consider becoming a sponsor too. Please visit our website to find out more about sponsorships.
Terima kasih BCP telah menjadi bagian dari perjalanan hidup saya.